Welcome to Nigerian News.
The Minister of Information,
former President Donald Trump.
Nigerian News Sports Section.
The people of Palestine, thank you.
Thank you for being a part of Nigerian News.
Access Bank to acquire National Bank of Kenya. I am Abigail. Now the news in detail. Access Holdings Plc has entered into a binding agreement with Kenyan-based KCB Group Plc for the acquisition of the entire issued share capital of National Bank of Kenya Limited. The deal will see Access Holdings' 100% acquisition of the Kenyan National Bank from KCB, which is also the holding company of KCB Bank Ltd, Kenya's largest commercial bank. In a statement filed on the Nigerian Exchange Limited on Wednesday, Access Holdings Secretary Sunday Ekwochi said the transaction is in furtherance of the bank's African expansion strategy and will reposition it as a stronger and significant player in the Kenyan market while serving as a regional hub for East Africa. The parties would be working together in the coming months to fulfill the conditions precedent relating to the transaction, which include the regulatory approvals of the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Central Bank of Kenya. Sequel to the completion of the transaction, the target will be combined with Access Bank Kenya Plc to create an enlarged franchise in the pursuit of our strategic objective for the Kenyan and East African markets. Commenting on the transaction, the acting group chief executive officer of Access Holdings Plc, Bolaji Agbede, said, "This proposed acquisition marks a significant step in the execution of our 5-year strategic plan aimed at positioning the bank as Africa's gateway to the world." The deal with NBK, a historically strong and well-known bank in Kenya, with a balance sheet in excess of $1.1 billion, presents a compelling opportunity to scale up our growth in the East African market. We remain confident that our investment towards diversifying and strengthening the bank's long-term earnings profile will deliver significant value for our shareholders, customers, and wider stakeholder groups. The bank, whose group CEO, Herbert Wigwe, died in a helicopter crash on February 9, 2024, returned its immediate past group CEO, Agboje Aimokoide, as group chairman in March. Access Holdings Plc reportedly operates through a network of more than 600 branches and service outlets spanning 3 continents, 18 countries, and over 60 million customers.
Thank you for being a part of Nigerian News.